Introduction. Hey, what's up everyone? It's great to be back with you today to talk about one of the most popular topics on the internet, making money online. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the best ways to make money online in 2023. Method like one e-commerce and dropshipping. The e-commerce industry has been growing rapidly in recent years, and it's expected to continue to grow in 2023. Dropshipping is one of the most popular methods for starting an online business, as it requires very little capital to start. In this business model, you don't need to keep any inventory. Instead, you partner with a supplier who handles the shipping and fulfillment for you. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to make money online. In this model, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to choose the right niche and build an audience that trusts you and your recommendations. 3. Online courses and coaching. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can make money by creating and selling online courses or offering coaching services. This can be done through platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even on your own website. With the rise of remote work and online education, the demand for online courses and coaching is likely to grow in 2023. 4. Freelancing and consulting. Freelancing and consulting are great ways to make money online, especially if you have a particular skill set that's in demand. You can offer your services through platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn. The key to success with freelancing and consulting is to build a strong reputation and network of clients. 5. YouTube and social media. Finally, YouTube and social media are still great ways to make money online in 2023. You can earn money from ads, sponsorships, and product placements. The key to success with YouTube and social media is to build a large following and create engaging content that resonates with your audience. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking to start an e-commerce business, become an affiliate marketer, offer online courses or coaching, freelance or consult, or create content on YouTube or social media, there are plenty of opportunities to earn a living online. The key is to find something that you're passionate about and that aligns with your skills and interests. Good luck and happy earning!